What's up, it's Marcus Naves. Welcome back to my channel. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to create more freedom in your life. Whether it's financial freedom, time freedom, or just the ability to spend more quality moments with the people who matter the most. And let me tell you, starting a YouTube automation business can be one of the most rewarding paths to achieving that. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started in just 10 minutes, even if you've never made a YouTube video before. You've probably seen channels like these, faceless, no personal branding, yet raking in views and cash. These are called YouTube automation channels. If you're wondering what is YouTube automation, it's a method of creating videos that run on autopilot. And before you think, oh, I could never do that, trust me, you can. I started my first cash cow YouTube channel with zero experience, and now I use what I've learned to help others do the same. But it wasn't always this way for me. A few years ago, I was in a tough spot. I just had lost my construction job with a newborn baby to take care of. I knew I needed a solution fast. That's when I stumbled into affiliate marketing and eventually YouTube automation. Combining those two worlds has completely changed my life. So let's dive into how you can do the exact same thing. Step number 1, understand the basics of YouTube automation. Before you dive in, you need to understand a few key metrics. First, CPM, or cost per million, is how much advertisers pay to show ads on your videos. Then there's RPM, which is how much you actually earn per 1,000 views. Watch time and click-through rate, or CTR, are critical too. They're what YouTube's algorithms love. Learn these terms because they'll guide your YouTube automation step-by-step strategy. Step 2, choose your niche wisely. Next, pick your niche. When I started, I chose a niche I was passionate about, health and wellness. Why? Because passion keeps you going when things get tough. That being said, some of the hottest YouTube automation niches right now include business and finance, tech, education, and relationship advice. Just avoid oversaturated areas like reaction videos or rain sounds. A great way to get inspired is by researching competitors. Use tools like Social Blade to analyze their performance and find gaps you can fill for your cash cow YouTube channel ideas. Step 3, leverage free tools to start creating. You don't need a Hollywood budget to start. Here are 6 free tools to help you kick things off. Number 1, CapCut for video editing. Number 2, Canva for thumbnails. Number 3, vidIQ for niche research. Number 4, ChatGPT for script writing. Number 5, 11 Labs for AI voiceovers. And number 6, Pixabay for stock footage and sound effects. With these tools, you can create professional quality videos without spending a dime. But remember, automation doesn't mean zero effort. You will still need to research, plan, and refine your content. This is your YouTube automation tutorial for beginners. Step 4, create your first video. Here's how you pull it all together. Start by brainstorming a video idea based on your niche. Use ChatGPT to draft a script, then copy it into 11 Labs to create an AI-generated voiceover. Next, gather stock footage that matches your topic. Finally, edit everything into CapCut and design a killer thumbnail inside of Canva. And just like that, you've created your first faceless YouTube channel video. Step 5, stay consistent and scale. Consistency is where most people fail. I've seen countless creators start strong only to burn out after a few weeks. But if you're strategic and disciplined, you'll start to see results. Once you're earning some revenue, you can reinvest it to hire freelancers and scale your cash cow channel operations. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a YouTube automation business in just 10 minutes. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but with patience and effort, the potential is limitless. Remember, I started this journey with nothing but a dream, and today I'm helping others build their dreams too. If I can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what niche you are thinking about tackling. If you're having trouble with picking a niche, check out my video, the top 30 niches to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And hey, remember, it's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.